Hi friends, Angelina tuning back in. Here is a quick video diary of my time in the Smoky Mountains. On a cloudy summer evening, I arrived well before sunset to secure a parking spot at Morton's Overlook. There was a break in the doom and gloom between where the mountains met the sky, and I had just a sliver of peach-colored light to latch my gaze on before nightfall. Later that night, I drove in thick fog at what felt like less than 5 miles an hour, barely seeing what awaited just feet ahead of me. Slowly but surely, I made my way toward Clingman's dome, where I'd spent the night. I awoke shivering cold in the trunk of my car rental, where I'd spent the last few nights, just in time to see the sunrise. Or so I had hoped. I made the short walk to the top of Clingman's dome, faintly lit by the moon, and waited patiently for a break in the clouds that never came. Ironically, I got the best view of the sunrise from the parking lot, which I had descended back to just below the blanket of clouds. Thus, I was still able to see the Smokies awake from slumber and reflect in gratitude to another day. Thanks for following along during my 12-hour journey in the Smoky Mountains. I'm Asheville bound from here. I'll see you in the next adventure.